uh, middle of the jungle right now. I'm going. Stay with me, okay? There is another tree. I can cut that. Okay. Okay. Come here. Come here. So, guys, you are watching. There are so many dirty trees here, and show the camera here. Show the camera here and show the all things here properly. All things, all the tree. Show properly. Okay. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So, guys, what are you doing now today? I don't know what are you doing at this time, but I have come in the jungle right now. You are watching. There is a jungle, and there is so many bamboo trees here. And this is our area, this is our jungle, and today there are so many dirty trees are full in this jungle. I will clean all the dirty jungle in this area, in this jungle. That's why I have come in the jungle right now, and I have taken a knife with me. There is a huge knife with me. You are watching, I will cut. There is a huge knife with me, and I will clean all the jungle properly. But stay with me. I will show you how to I cut all the dirty trees from this jungle. How I will clean the jungle properly. Okay, come with me. I will show you properly. Okay, guys, there are so many dirty trees here, and I will cut all the jungle from here. I will cut all the jungle from here, and I will cut all the jungle. This is full. This is full. Dirty jungle here. And I will cut here. And I will keep all the jungle here. Okay. Today is very sunny today. And in the morning I thought I can clean the jungle properly, and after cleaning the jungle I can plant some trees here, and right now I have cleaned here and I will go that side. Come with me. Come with me. I will go that side. Middle of the jungle right now. I'm going. Stay with me, okay? There is another tree. I can cut that. Okay. Okay. Come here. Come here. So, guys, you are watching. There are so many dirty trees here, and show the camera here. Show the camera here and show the all things here properly. All things, all the tree. Show properly. Okay, I will clean all this area right now, and stay with me. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's so hard. It's so hard. This area, this jungle is full. And for making video, I have taken my sister with me right now. And he's holding camera. He's holding camera, and I'm cleaning the jungle right now. You are watching. There is a goat here, and there is another goat here. And this two goat is mine, and one is for my sister, and one is mine. So I have taken this two goat here for eating leaves, and they will eat something from this jungle, and besides I will clean the jungle properly. Okay, so I start to work because I have to clean all the jungle because today is Juma day, and after some minutes That time I have to go here. Okay.
जंगल देखा
Okay. My dear guys, after cleaning the jungle, I'm so hurt. So after hard working, I'm so tired, so thirsty. So right now I will drink water. Oh, this water is so fresh. When you drink water, you can't drink water because you are not with me at this time. If you with me at this time, then you can drink water, right? So today is very sunny today. That's why it's so hard for me for cleaning all the jungle properly. So that's all today, and I will make this kind of video again. So take care, bye bye. I'll see you with the new video. Allah Hafiz.